Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to withdraw your money from your Bybit account to your bank account using Swissborg. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. To sign up for Swissborg, all you have to do is scroll down until you see the first link in the description, or once you see the first link in the comment section below, click on it and it will redirect you to this page right here. Copy this code and scan this QR code. Once you download the application and sign up, deposit some money, you will get the chance to win up to 100 euros in the lottery ticket that they provide from the application. As you can see right here, I'm doing the exact same steps, and then once you verify all your details, voila, now you have access to the application. Now that you have installed Swissborg and all is set, all you have to do is open your Bybit application, and then from here all you have to do is go to your assets in the bottom right section, then click on funding or unified trading. From here you're going to see all types of cryptocurrencies. Choose the one that you have from it and that you want to withdraw. So for example Bitcoin, you're going to click on it and then simply click on withdraw on the bottom section. Now from here you have all these details to fill in. To get these details, exit the application and then open Swissborg. Once you do that, you're going to log into your app, and then from here go to your portfolio. From here you're going to click on deposit, and then from here you're going to select whatever cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin, and then you're going to copy the address that's going to give you from here right here, and then you're going to copy the transaction. Once you do that, go back and then going to paste the address. Once you do that, you're going to select whatever chain that you have marked, and then from here select whatever amount that you would like. So for example $50 or whatever Bitcoin that you have, and then from here click on withdraw. Once you do that, it's going to send you back to Swissborg, where you're going to receive the amount right here. Then all you have to do is click on exchange, where you get the feature to exchange from any cryptocurrency to fiat currencies such as Euro, USD, or any other currency. And then from here, once you click on it and it transfers right here, all you have to do is go to your Euro or USD and then click on withdraw, which is going to be on the bottom left. It will give you the option to select whatever bank account. So from here, click on it and then choose whatever bank account country. And then after that, it's going to continue next. And then from here, all you have to do is click on the IBAN and fill in your IBAN information from your bank account. Once you do that, you're going to send the transfer amount and it's going to be with minimum fees. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.